Oh Lord, hear me turn these words into a song, for them to sing along to when I'm gone, for them to sing along to when I'm gone. Oh Lord, let me be the one to set him free. I will give him every part of me, put my heart where everyone can see. They can call me whatever they want, call me crazy. You can call me whatever you want, but that won't change me. I just don't care what the world says, I'm gonna make it. They can call me whatever they want, so what if I am crazy? Crazy. Oh Lord, this is so much harder than I thought, but I will give him everything I've got. One day I am gonna prove him wrong. Oh Lord, let me be the one to set them free.
What's up, everybody? Back North Sky.
Put my heart where everyone can see.
This world will never be what I expected, and if I don't belong, who would have guessed it? I will not leave alone everything that I own to make you feel like it's not too late. It's never too late. Even if I say it'll be alright, still I hear you say,
man is the only creature that refuses to be what he is. A loveless world is a dead world. Don't walk behind me, I may not lead. Don't walk in front of me, I may not follow. Just walk beside me and be my friend. Real generosity towards the future lies in giving all to the present. But in the end, one needs more courage to live.